To send editable Canva link to others, this is a design I'm working on here on Canva, and I want to send this design so that others can come in and edit it. What I'm actually going to send is a link that would allow them to be able to edit this design. So if we go over to share here, from this place you can see that I'm the only one who has access to this design. But if I click on this drop down here, you'll see these two options. I'll click on anyone with this link. So when I click on anyone with this link, you see it's automatically selected as can edit. That's the first thing, it selects it on. But if you want to give another kind of permission, you can also click this drop down and choose it from here. If we want to create a custom link, we'll click on create a custom link. So we have what we want to name this link. You see now we have this link. If I save this and copy now, I'll have the link on my clipboard, and when I send this link to the person can be able to access this document and make changes to it. At any point I don't want this person to have access to this document anymore, I'm just going to delete this link, and if I click on delete, I can delete this link and it's no longer working for the person. That way you don't necessarily even need to come and change the access level if you've given a different person a different link.